John Lugo, may bara daw yung ugat sa puso. I used to play badminton. After the game, naramdaman ko na yung pain sa chest. Sabi ko, anong dapat gawin do? And-explain niyo yung angioplasty.
I'm Evelyn Asuncion Santos. I'm just starting to have Alzheimer's.
Nag-seek kami ng help. It was something more than just being forgetful.
Abilino Ortega Abutin, knee surgery. No more walking, gagapang ka. So I said, okay, let's do it.
Maria Imber Villamayor Reveche. I'm a breast cancer survivor. So I was taking medicine for my breast, but apparently it was causing my uterine lining to thicken.
Angelito Buenaseda Alba, wife ko naman si Maria Corazon Alba. Hindi ko ini-expect, triple bypass ako. 5 minutes na maglalakad lang ako, na nihingal na ako.
Sir Leslie S. Rodriguez.
I'm Mrs. Liwayway Rodriguez.
Sabi sa web ko, parang nahihirapan ako. It's actually Bell's palsy. She observed me na yung mga galaw ko, how to eat, how to drink. That's what dinala niya ako dito sa Asia.
Josephine Chua Castaneda. I have this meniscus. 5 to 10 years from now, you need a knee replacement. Iba yung walk ko. At the same time, iba na rin yung shape ng knee ko.
Maria Elena Perpetua Lagman. When I was doing one of my virtual runs, I was feeling a certain prickly pain sa right breast. It was pretty hard. Bumagsak ang lahat sa akin.
Antoinette Gayas Carriero. Yung isang buko na hindi siya nawawala. Tapos, mabilis siya lumaki.
Kung ano man yung meron ako, so alam ko. Saan mo sisimulan? Anong chances ko? Ikaw lang ba may ganyan?
Several minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, tapos na, okay na. Ayos. Ayos na.
I feel safe, I feel comfortable.
Yung equipment nyo rito is the best.
Very clean, very well-maintained.
Sabi niya, gagaling ako dito agad.
You guys give her that extra care. You go the extra mile.
As a home and family nitong Asian,
May concern, may extra. Hindi ko ma-explain eh. Pero, yun nga, may puso.
Yung personal involvement, pwede talagang i-recommend ako sa mga kasama ko.
The care that the whole staff is giving you is there. From the housekeeping, from the security, I'll rate it at 100 out of 10.
All I know that this hospital is the best.
It is world class.
It is.
Very thankful ako sa nangyari sa akin kasi I had another lease of my life.
Lahat ng doktor ko, ang tatalino nila.
She prayed for me, and not just for me, but for the whole team. So I was like, that one was really assurance for me already that, you know, everything would be well.
nakuha ko yung alagang deserve, alagang sulit.
Sulit na sulit.
Alagang Asian, alagang sulit.
Kaya solid.